хамтрагч Өөрийн онцгой бүтээлийг өөрийгоос
I let it fall on my arm, and there's a veil he rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips when you saved me. My hands still strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that are never true in the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch the forest light to the flame. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I've heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain and my voice into the flames. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time.
Онцгой дууг өөрийгоос